Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to show you how to make wild garlic paste. We've been running our foraging courses for about 6 weeks or so now, I guess, and we normally finish off by going to our patch of ramsons and collecting a bunch, and we're often asked, what can I do to preserve these over the summer, autumn, rest of the year. Now, we have tried freezing them in the past and it hasn't particularly worked very well. So what we do now is make a ramson paste. So very straightforward. Just need some of the ramson leaves, we need some olive oil, and we need a little bit of cider vinegar. So yeah, as I say, very straightforward to make. What we found is by making a paste, it keeps longer, it lasts longer. So if we want to make a pesto, then we'll take some of that paste and then add in our cheese and nuts. But it does tend to go off a little bit quicker if we do that. So as I say, we make it the paste, and then sometimes we'll use some of that to make a bit of pesto in the future. Often though, we'll just leave it as the paste, because it is absolutely delicious with meat, that kind of thing. So for instance, if we're cooking up a nice bit of venison, then we'll smear the outside of the venison in the ramson paste, and it really adds a lovely bit of flavour to it. So what I'm going to do, as I say, it is very, very easy. I'm just going to get a bunch of the leaves, pop them into a food processor. So I'm kind of packing them down a bit. So, and you can see I'm putting leaves, stalks as well. I love the stalks, they're really, really flavoursome. So we're getting some of those in, like that. And then to add some olive oil. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to kind of guess a little bit here. I'm going to give it a nice glug of oil. So I'm guessing on this, as I say. So this is a 500 ml, a litre bottle, sorry. So I think I'll probably put in about 100 millilitres of oil there. So I'm going to put in now about 20 ml of the cider vinegar. So it's 5 parts oil to 1 part cider vinegar. So I think that's about 20 ml of the cider vinegar. Then pop the lid on and blitz it up. So that's looking good. Just get a spatula in there. Yeah, consistency wise it's about right. I just want to blitz it a little bit longer. So just another little bit of blitzing. That is looking about the right kind of consistency. So into a clean jar. So this jar was previously sterilised. Some boiling water. And then I'm going to make another batch. So, it's going to do exactly the same thing again. So one wonderful jar of wild garlic ramson paste. We've already got, I think, 4 or 5 similar sized jars in the fridge, so that we have got enough to see us through for the rest of the year. So this one is not likely to be getting opened in the next few months. So what I'm going to do is just put another little glug of olive oil on the top there, almost to make a seal, a plug on it. So get the lid on, and now when I pop this into the fridge, so I'm going to store this in the fridge, the olive oil is going to set, and that's going to help it to stay fresh in the jar. I hope you found that useful, and it gives you the confidence to be able to make your own wild garlic paste. I will try my best to get some more content out next week. You can make sure you don't miss out on that by subscribing either to our blog or to our YouTube channel, either of which are Jack Raven Bushcraft. In the meantime, take care.